Welcome to the O'Connor Elder Law channel. I'm your host, Melissa O'Connor. I'm a Florida-based elder law attorney who does estate planning, focusing on long-term care needs, commonly referred to as Medicaid planning, and I do probate, and I do it well. Today I wanted to address a question that I hear, do I need to worry about estate tax? So many times when we are doing planning, that's a concern. Taxes are a concern. Will my heirs have to pay an estate tax? Will my estate be taxed? How does that work? So before I get into that, I wanted to invite you to meet with me. If you wanted to schedule a time to discuss this or any other topic further, I do offer free strategy sessions, and you can book at eldermeeting.com. So without further ado, do you need to worry about estate tax? So the wonderful thing about living in Florida is that we don't have estate and inheritance taxes here. That's one of the, we have a real tax-friendly state, and we have great homestead protections. So that's why a lot of people like to come to Florida to retire, because they believe that their money goes further. And then we have other tax benefits, and the homestead protection is always wonderful as well. So in Florida, you won't have any estate tax at the state level that you would need to worry about. And the IRS, for the tax exemption for estate taxes, that you basically, as long as you don't have, for an individual, as long as you don't have $11.58 million in your estate that you need to be concerning yourself with, you don't need to worry about estate taxes on a federal level either. Most of my clients have no concerns when it comes to estate tax, because I don't have clients generally that have $11.58 million in their estate that needs to be dealt with. But if that's you, that's wonderful. I'm happy for you. But the rest of us here in Florida, we don't need to worry about estate tax when it comes to that. There are other consequences that people need to deal with when it comes to handling of maybe transferring IRAs and all these other good things that do have some implications. But generally speaking, just your estate tax, the question that people come in with, nope, we don't have any concerns with that here in Florida unless you meet that threshold and have the federal tax implications. I hope that this information has been helpful to you. If it has, feel free to like and share with others. Of course, if you want to schedule a meeting to talk with me further, you can do so at eldermeeting.com. I encourage you to reach out to an elder law attorney if that would be of benefit to you. Thank you for joining me.